भुनक्तु सवीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
You must be wondering why we have kept this small stool and a candle on it. Yes, today we are going to do Jyoti Tratak. For Jyoti Tratak, we need a small stool and we need to put a candle on it, which should be actually at the level of your eye. And you should be sitting at least 2 to 3 feet apart from the table. Before we do Jyoti Tratak, we shall, as usual, practice our eye exercises. So we shall begin with our eye exercises before we do Jyoti Tratak, in fact any kind of Tratak, so that our eye muscles become flexible and loosened up so that it is ready for concentration. We shall start with up and down movement of the eyeballs. Start, look up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Close your eyes. Do palming. Breathe in and out deeply. Hands down. Keep your eyes closed and relax. Open your eyes with a number of blinks. Now we go for the next eye exercises, which is left and right movement of the eyeball. Remember not to move your head, it is only the eyes which move. Start. Left, right, 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 left, right. Close your eyes. Palming. Breathe in and out again very deep. Hands down. Now we go for the diagonal movement of the eyeballs. Please open your eyes with a number of blinks. Up, right up, left down. 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 Close your eyes. Palming. Breathe in and out deeply. Hands down. Relax. Open your eyes with a number of blinks. Keep a smile on your face. Now this time, left up and right down. Okay? Left up, right down. 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 Relax. Close your eyes. palming. Breathe in and out very deep. The deeper the breath with palming and eyes closed, better will be the eye relaxation. Hands down. Once again, open your eyes with a number of blinks. Now we will go for the circular movement of the eyeballs, clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times each. Open your eyes with a number of blinks. Start rotating your eyeballs with eyes wide open. Start. 10 rounds. Eyes in round position. Look up. You can do it fast also. Very relaxing for our eyes, these eye exercises. Opposite now. Relax and close your eyes. Do palming with deep breathing, and we can chant Brahmari with this. Breathe in deeply. You can do 3 to 6 times as you wish. The more Brahmari you do with palming, the better will be the eye relaxation. Bring your hands down. You feel very relaxed with your eyes. Now we shall begin with our Jyoti Tratak. Now for Jyoti Tratak, you can either use a candle or you can use a Deepak, whichever you want. The only point that you have to actually keep in mind is that the flame should be at the level of your eye of either the candle or the Deepak lamp, whichever you are using. So there are 3 stages in Jyoti Tratak. In the first stage, we will focus only on the flame of the candle. Rest of the other things are not important for us. After that is stage 2, where through the flame you are going to look at the wick of the candle, that is the black thread inside the flame on which the flame is standing. So that is even more intense concentration. And at last we will defocus. So these are the 3 stages of Tratak that we are going to practice today. It's a very very interesting exercise. बहुत ही interesting exercises हैं ये त्राटक की. इससे हमारी आँखों की ज्योति भी बढ़ती है. हमारी अगर पावर आई साइट में वीकनेस है तो वो भी इससे रिड्यूस होती है. केवल जो लोगों को people who are having glaucoma should not be practicing this, or people with eye infections. Otherwise, it is a great exercise for concentration, for the brightness of your eyes and for your eye relaxation. So let us begin with Jyoti Tratak now. You can light up your candles. The room should be dark. So we will begin with the first stage of Jyoti Tratak. The first stage is where you look only at the flame of the candle. So please open your eyes and start focusing without blinking your eyes at the flame of the candle. Look at the shape of the flame, the color of the flame. Nothing else exists for you. It is only the flame and the flame. No blinking of the eyes. Continue to look. The moment your eyes start watering, you can close your eyes and do palming. That is the indication that your eyes have concentrated well. So, from many thoughts, the single object here is the flame of the candle. To a single thought, people with epilepsy should not be doing Trataka. Very good for insomnia, people who work on computers, online. Now close your eyes and do your palming. Breathe in and out deeply. Bring your hands down and keep your eyes closed. We now go for the second stage, which is even more intense concentration. So, through the flame, you are going to look at the wick of the candle or the lamp without blinking your eyes. Start. Concentration, total concentration, no blinking of the eyes. Look very deeply from the flame into the wick without blinking your eyes. Keep on looking at the flame's wick. No blinking. Remind yourself, use your willpower. Trataka also develops a lot of willpower inside us. The indication that you have concentrated is eyes start watering. Remember, in Trataka, we use one object so that all the other become unnecessary for us. So, from many thoughts to a single thought, from many object to a single object is the objective of Trataka, therefore leading to one pointed concentration and attention. Now, slowly close your eyes and do palming. Breathe in and out deeply. Press and release your palms for better relaxation at this stage. Bring your hands down and do your silence time now. Feel the changes. The eyes are feeling very, very good. Introspect. Now we will go for the third stage. So we have focused. Now we will go for defocusing. So for defocusing, start looking at the wick of the candle. Now look at the flame of the candle. Look at the beautiful orangish yellowish aura around the flame. See, we are expanding, we are defocusing. Become aware of the surrounding around you, of the room you are sitting in without moving yourself. And close your eyes. Breathe in and out deeply 3 times. Now we shall chant Brahmari. You can do Brahmari along with palming or without palming, whichever you need. With palming, it is more even relaxing. Breathe in deeply 6 times Brahmari. Brahmari just does not relax eyes, it relaxes our entire being. You have to produce humming sound in Brahmari. Slowly bring your hands down. Palms on your knees. Eyes closed, shoulders relaxed. Feel the wonderful relaxation that your mind and body is feeling. Breathe in and out deeply. Bring your palms in front of you in Namaskar Mudra. We shall end with prayer. Om Asato Ma
Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. O Lord, take me to light from ignorance, from darkness, the light of knowledge from the darkness of ignorance. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Om, peace, peace, peace. You can open your eyes now. Thank you.